It is so not good for you as a price action trader to not understand what time frame correlation is and not understand how to use time frame correlation. This is the biggest issue that traders have. They don't know how to use time frame correlation, and that is why they keep losing money because they trade against the trend. They don't know when market is on a bullish move. They don't know when market is on a bearish move. This is one biggest problem that traders face, all right? And in this trading bootcamp, I am going to help you understand that, especially in this video, I am going to help you understand what they call a time frame correlation. So first of all, this is the 4-hour chart on a gold chart, all right, on a gold market. So first of all, the first thing we'll do is to go to our daily time frame. You all know I only use 3 time frames. If you've been following me right now, for a while, you should know that if you've been following me for a while, you should know that I use only 3 time frames, right? And that is the daily time frame, the 4-hour time frame, and also the 1-hour time frame. So now, how do we use time frame correlation? So before you jump to this class, you would have gone through the part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. And this is the part 5, all right? So now, the first thing you do is to, first of all, go to your higher time frame. And as you can see, this is the daily time frame. What you will do is to first of all identify the trend of the market and your key levels. So right now, gold is on a bullish move here. This is me trying to read the market structure. We have a series of higher highs and a higher lows. We have the series of higher highs and a higher lows. A higher highs here and a higher lows. Then a higher highs here and a higher lows, just like this. The price pull all the way up to give us a bullish move, a bearish move. And before we start having this series of higher highs and higher lows here, higher highs and higher lows here, then we'll have a higher highs, but we don't have another or see another higher lows here. Then instead price drop and start moving bearishly. Now, since price is moving bearish around this level, let's say this level, the whole of this level is a bearish move here, just like this. What should you be doing, right? Since you've identified the market, that the market is on a bearish move on the bigger time frame, which is the daily time frame. This is a rough example of analysis, right? Let me just identify that. That is the daily resistance. I'm going to have to clone that level. That's the daily resistance, and I'm going to have to clone that level right now. And this is a daily support, right? Or we can use this at a daily support at this example. Like I told you guys, this is a rough example. Then you've identified this trend that this is a bearish move. The next thing you have to, and whenever price is on a bearish move, what do I tell you from the one of this trading bootcamp and the 2? You look for a bearish move, right? You look for a selling opportunity. Okay, now we identified that daily. We identified that daily time frame is what? Bearish on gold. We've identified that daily time frame is bearish on gold. Let me make it 20. Change the color, black of course. So we leave it, daily time frame is bearish. We'll go to the 4-hour time frame to see what that market is currently doing at that level. All right, so I'm going to bring this thing here for a clearer understanding of what I'm trying to do here. So this is a daily is bearish, right? Just like this. And here on this 4-hour is also bearish. On this 4-hour now, how do we know? The daily time frame give us a resistance here. And right now we start experiencing a series of lower lows and a lower highs here. The lower lows and a lower highs here, lower lows and a lower highs here. Do you understand? And now we'll have the lower lows currently. What are you expecting as a trader? You should only be looking forward for a selling opportunity. Daily time frame is bearish. 4-hour time frame here is bearish, as you can see. What are we seeing now? The time frame is correlating with each other because the daily is bearish, you are looking for a selling opportunity. 4-hour is bearish, you are looking for a selling opportunity. Now let us go to the 1-hour time frame and see. Since the 4-hour time frame is bearish and all the time frames are confirming bearish and bearish move, and on the 1-hour time frame you can see this is a clear bearish move. Do you understand? This is a clear bearish move. Are you seeing it there? So what are we experiencing after this sideways bearish move? As you can see, we are having sideways move, sideways, and it is also bearish. Then we have a lower lows, a lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows here. Then we try to experience the higher highs here at the higher lows. For price change, this is still a bearish move. Then a bearish here, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and then Okay, sorry, lower lows here and the lower highs here, then price drop. You understand? So now the daily is bearish, right? That is a biggest confirmation for you as a trader. H4 is bearish, and right now H1 is also bearish, guys. If you start trading with this trend, with this type of trend confirmation, price will never go against you. So I'm going to go to other pair, which is US30 now. Let me go to my next instrument, which is US30, the pair that I trade very, very well. I've been trading this pair for how many years now? So let's say we check the daily time frame. On the daily time frame here, US30 is doing what? After US30 consolidated around this level here, what did price do? Price broke that resistance zone above there, push back to retest. Then price is on a bullish move. Daily is on a bullish move, right? We've confirmed that. So let's just go to the 4-hour time frame. Checking from the 4-hour time frame now, what are we having here? The 4-hour time frame is also bullish. You understand? Because what do we have here? We have this long, massive buys, a higher highs, a higher low, higher highs here before we did not see another higher lows here on the 4-hour. But price is bullish. What do you on the 4-hour? Price is bullish. What are you expecting? A buying opportunity, right? Just like this. H4 is also bullish. Sweet and clean, right? Do you understand? So now what are you expecting? A bullish, a buying opportunity. There's no room for selling here. Let's say we go to the 1-hour time frame, which is my entry time frame right now. What did price do? Price is confirming so what did price do here? Price is confirming a series of what? Higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. They will have a higher high, then a higher low, just like this. And price is still on a bullish move. You should be looking for a buying opportunity just like this. You understand? H1 is bullish. So guys, this is the best time frame correlation video that you should be watching as a beginner, or if you're struggling. If you know you have a beginner friend or anybody, beginner family that is struggling, please share the link of this video to them. Do you understand? Of this trading bootcamp to them, so that they can start going through these courses and see how things are going to change for them. So all the time frames are bullish, right? And this is a buying opportunity for me. I even learned from this level. As at the time of recording this video, this is a Sunday night, all right? So as at the time of recording this video, this is Sunday. It is Sunday night, right? June 29. That is the time of recording this video, and I took advantage of this buying opportunity. You understand? I took advantage of it, and this is how it run. You understand? This is how the market went. We want to trade there, very smooth. If price is on a bullish move, you should be looking for buying opportunity. If price is on a bearish move, you should be looking for a selling opportunity. Other than that, guys, I hope you guys understand what I just taught you guys. Understand clearly now on how to use a time frame correlation, all right? Now, if you love this video, just subscribe to this channel, all right? And do not forget to turn on post notification to get notified in case I drop the next episode, all right, of the Forex trading bootcamp. It is completely for free. Guys, other than that, guys, peace.